Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on security alerts on Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next tap on settings. Then scroll until you find privacy and safety. Then tap on net. Next tap on end-to-end encrypted chats. Then tap on security alerts. Next turn on net by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn on security alerts on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.